I was born in a small room with the door locked shut. Counted every day like a hand on my throat. But I learned my name when I broke that hush. Now I walk out slow with the whole sky open. Hear that chain fall, that was mine. I kept the key in my spine. One more step and I'm not looking back. One more breath and the flood comes back. Open the gate, open the gate. I'm coming through, I'm coming through. Open the gate, open the gate. I got my own sky to move. Hey, hey. I got my own sky to move. Mud on my shoes and salt in my eyes. Took every wrong road just to find the line. Now the old fear shakes like a cheap porch light. And I'm gone before they can name me right. Hear that chain fall, that was mine. I kept the key in my spine. One more step and I'm not looking back. One more breath and the flood comes back. Open the gate, open the gate. I'm coming through, I'm coming through. Open the gate, open the gate. I got my own sky to move. Hey! I got my own sky to move. If I fall, I rise. If I bleed, I bloom. If they call me back, I break right through. Hands up high, let the fear divide. I was never made for the smaller Open the gate, open the gate. I'm coming through, I'm coming through. Open the gate, open the gate. I got my own sky to move. Open the gate, open the gate. I'm coming through, I'm coming through. Open the gate, open the gate.
All the luxury stops from today.
मैग्नोलिया हो जाएगा आप लोग गाँव मेरे गाँव के लिए
ఎలా ఉంది?
Welcome to Travel Charcha, and this is Mardi Himal trek.
This snowman is for Manya. Thank you, Lamaji. Thank you, Prika, Usha, everybody. Cute है ना?
We are now starting Badal Danda. From here we can see so many mountains. Especially here we can see Annapurna Range. From here we can see there is Lamjung Mountain. Lamjung Mountain height 6,986 meter high. After that we can see there is Annapurna 2. Annapurna 2 7,937 meter high. And then we can see another mountain here. A small one but a very beautiful mountain. This mountain named Annapurna 4. Annapurna 4 also 7,525 meter high. And then from this region, very steep one, and then very famous Fistel Mountain. Fistel Mountain also we can see from here. This mountain 6,993. There is two shape. We can see there is one is 6,993 meter high, other one 6,997 meter high, because there is two shape, right? After that we can see Annapurna 3 as well there, 7,555 meter high, and then Gangapurna 7,454 meter high, and then Tarikhang 7,069 meter high, and then other one Tarketa 7,193 meter high. Then same this range we can see so many mountains from there, Khangsar, Khang, Kenchi, and then Annapurna First as well here. Annapurna First is top 10 highest mountain in the world, 8,091 meter high. After that we can see Husili 6,441 meter high, and then Annapurna South 7,219 meter high. Thank you so much.
Namaste.
It all started with Jairam ji reaching out, and we had conversations on WhatsApp and on the phone. And then when we landed in Kathmandu, Jairam ji came along with our trek lead, Man Bahadur Lama. You can turn over there. He is our trek lead. An amazing man, very friendly. He really truly cares about you achieving your goals. So there's our guide team, photo team here. So, Gurunji.
One of our friends said Mardi Himal is like really good. The views are very good. Okay, we were very skeptical initially, or little worried about how we would be able to do, how the trekking group would be, the operators would be. We did little research, and then we found base camp hike, as a company who's operating in Nepal. We just signed up with them. We came here to this trek with minimal preparation, not at the height of our fitness as well. But credit goes to Mr. Lamaji, who's our guide, and the whole team. Everyone else.
Come on, Gaj Bahadur Gurung. Arunara.
Okay.
All we had to do is take each day, and the rest of it, they took care of everything. They ensured we are fed well, we are,
Like
well, and they were checking our oxygen and everything. They ensured that we are in good health, we are taken care very well. So awesome.
I love the trip. I love the views the best.